Alright, so this is my smart money entry criteria, what I need to see before I execute my trade. So first of all, I need to see my structure. When I see this structure, it will give me insights of a buying bias. You can see the structure well. Then once I see this structure going, I need to see market to create a liquidity for me. You see this zone now, this is kind of liquidity. I need to see market create an inducement for me. You can watch here, we have our break of structure. We have our break of structure. So once I see this, the first zone that caused this break of structure, where caused this bullish movement, I need to make sure I have my other block sitting here, and the other block must have an FVG. The other block must have an FVG. Here is OB. So once I see my structure, my OB, my fair value gap, and liquidity has been created, either I set my order here, or if I want to trade conservative, I have to wait for price to come here and give me my confirmation. This zone, I look out for confirmation. Once I find my confirmation, I'm taking my TP1 here, and my final TP2 at this top. So here I'm taking it all the way up. So that's for bullish structure on my entry model. Since I need to see structure, liquidity, order block, and FVG. Once I see this setup, I'm taking that's my model. So I will still draw the bearish scenario of it. Okay, let me use my bearish entry model. So the bearish, first of all, you should master your market structure very well. It's very important. Go into a higher time frame and know the overall direction of the market. So the bearish goes like this. Once I see something like this, it has given me insight of the market have started breaking structure to the downside. This will start giving me a selling bias. So the origin that caused this first break of structure, the origin, I will check out if I find my other block there, and I look out for FVG. FVG, this is OB. Once I see this thing, I will start positioning myself for what? For shorts. And I will go to high time frame and confirm the general trend of the market. This goes well on bearish trend. So I need to see market create a liquidity for me. You see this, I use dollar sign to mark my liquidity. I need to see market create something like this. Either you pull back or come into my zone. Once you come into this zone, here I should be looking out for my confirmation. My confluence is on this zone, and once I see it, stop loss should be above this previous high. Then I'm targeting my TP2 on this low. Yeah, TP2 on this low, so all the way down. So this is the selling model. First, you need to master your structure. This other block, some people also call it the POI to execute. But this is my own model. So I'm executing on FVG. But one thing about trading, any model you want to trade, always backtest, front test it. If you are good with the record, you can start applying your real model. So this is for educational purpose. You need to backtest on yourself before you start applying it on the chart with a real model. So that's for my entry model.